Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to calculate risk and return for a stock using Excel. For this, we first need the data. So for that, I'm going on Yahoo Finance and see, I will go on Google. I'll type Yahoo Finance and here is the link finance.yahoo.com. Just click on that. The moment you will click, now you need to type your stock name. Let's say my stock is Reliance Industries Limited. I just write Reliance IND and it is showing me Reliance Industries Limited. So I'll take this equity BSE, click on that. The moment you'll click on that, this type of screen will appear. On this screen, click on historical data. Okay. Yes. On clicking historical data, you will be provided with this information: open, high, low, close and this. But I'll be working on a very small time period of say just a month. So what I'm doing, I'll click on time period. I'll select the start date as 2023 January 1st. Okay. And end date as 2023 January 31st. Okay, and now I'm done with the time period. Historical prices, frequency is daily. I'll click on apply. The moment I'll click on apply, just look here, dates have changed. You have data for a month from Jan 2 2023 to Jan 30th 2023. Now simply click on download and save your file. So here is my data file. I'll click on that. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, this is my data file. Now for calculating risk and return, I'll be working with only adjusted close price. So I don't need rest of the information regarding open, high, low, close. So I'll simply delete rest of the columns and I'll delete this volume column as well. Now one thing we must do, we should write the name of the Reliance Industries Limited because this information is about Reliance Industries Limited. Okay, so okay, sorry for the typing error. Reliance Industries Limited. Now just look here, you have date, you have adjusted close. Now what I'll do to calculate return, I'll be measuring it using a very simple formula which is nothing but current price minus previous price divided by the previous price. Okay, current price minus previous price divided by the previous price. I'll click on enter and this is how I'll get return and I'll drag it to rest of the cells. Now I want to convert them into percentages, so simply go on home and I'll click here on percentage. Okay, this is my percentage return. Now to get the average return, what I need to do, I'll use the formula of average to calculate average return. I'll simply use average. So in Excel, I just write average and you will get this list. From here, select average. Okay, I'll click on that and now select this return and enter. Okay, so this is your average return. And how to get the risk? Risk is nothing but standard deviation. Okay, so how I'll get that? I'll write equals to STD and this is STDEV. Just click on that. This is for standard deviation in Excel, STDEV, and select the data and enter. So this is your average return and risk for Reliance Industries Limited. Thank you so much.